Hey everybody, Winstreak here. We got a question today from Farfetched83. They have a few diamonds that they overlay with some HSL. Essentially they just change the look and color, and then when they click on them they want to destroy them and have the particles grab that color as well. So I'm going to hop over into my project, and I have kind of what they have. I'll run through it real quick. We just have a few diamonds here. We have particles, and I match the colors of the diamond on these particles, and if we play it we can see that the diamonds get some cool effects, but then when we click it all the particles are the same. So I'm going to run through how to fix that, and then our code is simply diamonds uncreated. We give them a choose of 0, 20, 40, 60, or 80, and that's just pretty much a random between those 5 variables. The system will just choose it for us. So each one will get one of those choices, and then essentially on destroy we're going to create the object particles, and we'll want to adjust them and then destroy the diamond. So without further ado, this is how you're going to want to fix your problem. In here we have a instance variable I added. It's currently set to 0, but just go ahead and create that, and that's going to hold the HSL. So on created, instead of setting your adjust or your effect straight from your random here, we're going to go in and set the diamond to set value, and this is our variable we made, and we want to set that to choose. We'll do choose 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, just like you have. And now we have something that holds that value and is attached to our sprite. And then instead of setting this to choose again, we're going to set that to diamond.hsl. And that'll still set the color the same way you had it before. And now our particles up here set the effect to adjust HSL based on diamond.hsl, which I already had that written in, but this is what will make them match your color of the specific diamond. And do note that we need to destroy the diamond after we create the particles and after we adjust the HSL, because this value is stored inside the diamond, so once it's destroyed it will be lost. But and you can see when you click them, that's the normal color. Then we got some more red and blues, and this should be red and yellows, and that one's going to match the bottom one. So they'll match for you, and you can set your particles to explode how you want. I just left mine on a constant stream so it's easier to see. Hopefully that helps you out. Let me know if you have any more questions.